would want to have that, we incorporate that in the product, and it's part of the product enhancement, and it's automatically your website is refreshed with the new product, new enhancement, I would say. Here's the screenshot of Tom's new website. We provided the ability for Tom to go and have his own banner here, and incorporated their logo. But they also had an interesting idea. They wanted to have a short description, a profile about their company before they wanted to showcase their products, which we did. So they provided us the content, and we integrated that to the home. So wanted the registration module and also the product search. So they have a lot of products in their inventory, and they're still adding more products as we speak. So they wanted their users to go and search for products, and to not spend more time looking for the products that they want to see. So we have a grid-like display of products based on the search criteria that they enter. So this is what I talked about. We have the products in a grid-like fashion, and you have the keyword that the customers can go and type to search products. I'm going to quickly go and show you the different products here. When I talked earlier about the virtual sampling solution, I talked about how many options that a virtual sampling tool would have. You would have the option to go change colors that we saw in Pattern People. You also have the ability to go and add text in different fonts. You can upload an image, upload an artwork, maybe add a clip art, and then you can save it in different formats. But we understand that not every product is going to have the same set of personalization features. Every product is unique. Every product category has its own set of options, and we make sure that when we created the e-virtual tool, we had the customer in mind, and you have the ability to go and turn on or turn off the product features. For example, in Pattern People, you saw you had the ability to change different colors and add different texts, but you did not have image or logo onto that because the client did not want that. So we understood that, and then we incorporated the request. Here, for example, in the picture frame, Tom just wanted the customer to go and type in a text, and the text was fixed at the bottom of the picture frame. And he also said the font and the color of the text is going to be fixed. He wanted us to provide an opportunity to showcase the text as to how it's going to look engraved. So we studied a few samples from Tom, and we made sure we went and incorporated that in the tool. So when I type in the text, it's going to appear as if how the engraved product is going to look like. It's an approximation. It's not the actual sample, but still we worked with Tom and his wife Denise, made sure that the text appears as if it's being engraved. Let me go and show you another product. For example, the pet ornaments. Here's where Tom had the 200 clip arts that I talked about. So the clip arts that Tom provided were graphic images. So you have different graphic images, and when the customer clicks on it, it appears right in the middle of the ornament. However, the finished product would not look like this because it's just a graphic image, but which is going to be engraved. So to give the customer some idea as to how the finished product is going to look like, we got some pictures from Tom and incorporated that on the flash page itself, on the eVirtual page. Customers go and design that, they're going to see some samples as to how the finished product is going to look like and where the text is going to appear. So as you can see, you saw 3 different web stores, and each store is completely different from the other because everything has some sort of a uniqueness to it, and our tool's flexible enough to go and do that. Now, going back, why us? Why not someone else? Of course, there are a lot of companies in the market that do this, but why should you choose to go with us? Obviously, there are quite a lot of reasons for that. As you can see, we work with our clients, and we do not act like any of the software vendors. So once the project's over, we don't wash our hands off. We handhold you and then guide you, walk you through the entire process. So we provide an admin module as well. So you can go and change the products. You can manage them. You can change pricing. You can offer discounts. You can offer special coupons. You can generate reports on profitability, and you can also have your own customer list and manage them. So we walk you through that. We set up demos and show you how to do that, and we always are open for any feedback. So we value your opinion and make sure we work with you to get things done for you. And we provide you a lot of time to review whatever designs that we have done. So we understand that how important the whole process is for you and for your business. So if you have any suggestions or any changes that you want to make, we go back and then we make sure that we do that as well. When you make a suggestion, we obviously make a call as to whether it's specific to you or for the entire industry. If it's going to benefit the entire industry, obviously we add it to the product, and it's part of the product enhancement. And we have frequent maintenance, support, hosting, everything's done. So you concentrate on business, on improving it. We focus on the technology, so you don't have to worry about maintaining your database or adding HTML codes. That's what we do. So I also added a list of features, which is also available in our CustomViewOnline.com. That's our product-specific website where you can go and check different features. You have a few demos that you can go and so here's a brief list of the features of our e-store that we have. We have product sourcing, so if you have a relationship with the supplier, and if you have the supplier's product database, we can link it up to that, and then source all the products, and then have it displayed in a web store. And it continues. You have you can manage product categories, subcategories, and you can change the pricing. You can change the products because it's dynamic, and we understand that the public demands frequently change. So you could go and manage that as well. You can also integrate it to your backend systems, including accounting, CRM, and others. This is a brief list of the virtual sampling tool and its features. So we support the upload of logo or image onto the products. We support JPEG, GIF, PNG formats. Currently, we are also looking at other options and how we can better the tool. So there's constant research and development being done so that the tool's perfect and it's always ahead of the curve. And whenever we make some sort of enhancement, it automatically it gets updated in your web store. So you don't have to worry about that at all. And you can, again, like I told you, you can go back to our website and see the list of features there as well. I'll be happy to take your questions, comments, and whatnot. So I throw it open to the audience here. Thanks for patiently listening to this webinar.